right, welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, D Major is still here, and he's going to perform his new single, Red Alert.
Bah!
Yes.
So, what's the single about, Major?
Oh,
All right.
Get into it.
It's based off a Jamaican parable. Every Jamaican picnic supposed to grow up here. Your grandmother, or your auntie, or your mother say, show me your company, and I'll tell you who you are. You know what I'm saying? So that inspired the whole song.
Mad thing, man.
And who did you work with on this?
Oh,
this
big up
single?
Triton Music, Yes, producer Triton, when I talk about songs like, oh, when you walked in, I'm a big deal. Them song there, that's Triton.
Hey, vocalist.
Yeah, man, as well as a whole heap more. So, big up, I have to big up Triton and I'm taking craft seriously.
True words.
You know what I'm saying? I think that is a dying breed right now. So I have to give credit where credit due. Triton, big up yourself, you know what I'm saying?
Big up yourself, Troy. Big up yourself.
So, you working on an album now, or is it just the singles that you're pushing? What you focusing more
Good
on?
question, Craig. I'm thinking about an EP, probably to close off the first quarter, because I think we have enough songs. I also work with DJ Frost.
Yeah.
We have a single out to DJ Frost. We have a single coming up with Frankie Music.
Mad.
You know what I'm saying? General Degree. Just released a project as well. So
Yeah, true.
we have enough songs and songs coming up with even Penthouse Records. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. And this song, I remember let a little bit out. This song going to be one that you don't expect. A lot of people expect the love songs. And probably the songs uplift the youth them. Real, no real, and now Red Alert. But this song you will not expect from D Major. I won't say no more. Musically, the genre.
All right.
Yeah, and the sound. It have some humor in it. You know what I'm saying? And the genre. Trust me.
Love
Nice.
that.
You won't expect it. But wait on it.
Yeah, man.
Wish
And I'll
Yes.
return to
You come back
Daytime
on
Live.
Daytime Live and
And
preview for us.
definitely, yes, man.
Nice.
Trust me.
I'm about that.
Yeah, man. So
That
enjoying the
sounds good.
creative process of music right now, you know what I'm saying, and really loving the journey right now, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
man.
any events that we can see you around town? What are you up to? What are you doing?
We'll leave the end of the month for Africa, for Ghana, and then next month, April again, we'll leave for Europe and Africa again, Gambia.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah, man.
nice.
So,
All
Yeah,
right.
man, do the
but
thing,
round
do the thing.
town, I'm not sure. I was thinking of possibly, just doing something
Yeah,
for
man.
the fans and the people that supporting, because the support growing a certain way, and we know people want to see the Major live. So
That's
I
right.
think about it. But daytime, I will tell them in due time.
So, Red Alert,
Alright.
you go perform
yes,
now.
man.
All right.
Stage
so-
Show me your
yours, my
company.
brother.
Yeah,
Tell
man,
you who you
take
are.
it away.
Yes, sir.
I'm live, we do it. It's major. Yes. Whoa. Hey, yes. Reality. Hey. Big up Daytime Live, TVJ. Everybody tell them this right now. Craigie T, tell them, mama say, show me your company. Tell you who you are. Birds of a feather flock together, so you better know who you are. Yes, show me your company. Tell you who you are. Me see your true color, so you can't hide it. Spot you out from afar. Hey, red alert. Who that near we circle? Come with them crocodile small, but them will hurt you. Them say them real, but when you see them behind the curtain, you know my mama say it for right now, it's certain. From your real, you know how the thing go. Stand firm, no fall like no domino. The heart can't peep through a window. From a little bit and we are grow TVJ. Show me your company. Tell you who you are, boy. Birds of a feather flock together, so you better know who you are. Yes, show me your company. Tell you who you are. Me see your true color, so you can't hide it. But you out from afar. Tell them this now. Your friend them are your reflection. So don't change your complexion. No falling at them web up your deception. Don't look in my direction. Keep yourself in your section. Yes, me easy and me cool and me nice. We don't need your energy, you need Jesus Christ. My thing on a glass back, so you can't break with vice. TVJ now them a analyze. Show me your company. Tell you who you are, boy. Birds of a feather flock together, so you better know who are you. Me know who are me. Show me your company. tell you who you are. We see your true color so you can't hide it. Spot you out from afar. I mean, I just salute the really who represent the truth. Teenage are representing every time. Yeah, it's daytime live. You know, ain't no jive. Reggae T, big up yourself. TVJ. It's love and it's respect. Yeah? Come on, boy. Yes. Whoa.
Bad song, man. Blessings, brother.
Respect,
Blessings,
brother, every time.
Make a move.
Oh, I'm sorry. My legs gave out. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm better now.
Yeah.
I'm okay now, guys. I'm okay. So,
Yes.
so you went to Calabar here.
Lions.
Green
What
and
do you
black
think
and red
about
is
their
road.
chance at champs this year?
Oh my God. I think we have a great chance of defending the title and going for number 8.
Yo.
Trust me.
Yo.
Yeah.
So what do you chant for the Calabar people? What do you chant?
Chant, I mean,
Yeah.
a whole heap. I mean, but you don't know, it's a lion pride, you know what I'm saying?
Sure.
61 Red Hills Road, green and black till the casket.
Yeah, the
Lock.
man.
Yeah.
I asked him. He was like, I don't know.
Yeah, we don't know the Calabar chat. You have to ask Brandon them things. Ask Brandon them.
Big up Brandon C. Yeah.
No, when she asked me earlier, you know, if Campion didn't have a chat, I'm just like, when I was
Well,
going there, it was like, please win.
Yeah.
Something.
No,
What
but
point?
incidentally-
But them are going good now.
Yeah, no, Campion had an outstanding middle
Yeah,
distance runner, you know,
Yeah, man.
in O'Connor.
Yeah,
You know, a
man,
couple years
lads.
ago. And them have a couple at least that do well.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
even the
Like,
girls
it's
side and
different.
everything
It's
there.
different
Yeah, man.
now. It's
Yeah,
different.
man. So trust me.
I don't know.
As a matter
That's
of
the
fact,
thing, you know,
Sports
Craig.
Day today too.
That's the thing, too.
It's true.
Sports
Sports
day,
day.
I
It's my
can't
daughter's
do
sports
that.
day.
What I love with the track and field, you know, since the Asaf and the Bolt and the Shelleys, you know, it inspired a lot of youths.
Yeah.
Because if you notice, a lot of schools now, you know, getting more and more involved and you're seeing the culture and the track and field spreading. So it's only better for we. You know what I'm saying?
True
Yeah, man.
words.
And what about school challenge quiz? Like, what do you think about Calabar's chances?
I think they're going to go.
You think what,
probably
sorry?
all. I think they
For
might
all
go
Jamaica to
all
hear?
the way. They might go all the way
They
this
might
year.
go all the way, people.
All the way.
All the way. All right.
And on that note, as a Campion, that's it. Thank you for tuning in.
They're not friends anymore.
Catch
They're
us
not friends anymore. That's right.
Catch us back on Friday with much more buzz, chat, vibe, and mix. But for now, Daytime Live, we're out.
Out.
Cheer.
Look more.
One, yes. Daytime live, so we do it every time. Tell them now, my friend. Mama said, show me your company. Tell you who you are. Birds of a feather flock together, so you better know who you are. Yes, show me your company. Tell you who you are. We see your true color, so you can't hide it. We spot you all from afar. Yeah. Every time, Daytime Live. Where's the Craig remix?